Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gayatri Maghi. I guess all of us here on this planet have our shares of challenges, issues, and stresses. And I don't think there is anyone who can escape it. But my question to you is, does it really need that attention now? The thing because of which you are getting those palpitations and anxiety and all those worries, does it need your attention now? My life coach once beautifully gave us an insight where he told us that kal ki kal dekhna. Now, what is the context of this? See, understand there are two situations. The situation that comes first is that we often think that how will that particular assignment which we need to submit, say 2 weeks down the line, that project that I need to deliver like 6 months down the line, how will that happen? How is it going to happen? We actually live that experience through tension and worries so much before it actually happens, before it has actually come to reality. And the second situation is that there are those few moments throughout the day. It could be few minutes, it could be say a couple of hours, or even 1 hour for that matter, which could be a spare hour for us. But what do we do in those spare hours and in those spare minutes? We choose it to do some other activity which we feel will make our tomorrow easier. We are all guilty of it. And our mothers are a live example of it. What they do is when they have some breather, they'll take up some additional work because they feel it will make their tomorrow easier. But that easy tomorrow never comes. These two situations, they look different, but they come from the same source. As my life coach continued his explanation, he said that based on the urgency and importance, prioritize your work. Understand and know that can it be postponed to an extent that you can't postpone it further. And when you do that, the time that you get today, those few minutes that you get today, utilize it for your own self. Utilize it for your happiness, for your joy, for your peace of mind. With a calm sense of being that it will be taken care of. And let me tell you what he mentioned further, that by the time that situation, that assignment, that project approaches, the problem which you felt was a problem disappears or it becomes irrelevant, or probably the assignment or the project itself gets nullified. There have been n number of times I have experienced this. I may not talk about a project or so per se, but those issues, those challenges which I felt a project could bring in, that actually got surpassed. Utilize those moments for you because you are important. You are precious. And the creation gives us those minutes for us. So, what are the things that you need to keep in mind to lead your life this way? One is to prioritize yourself. Second is to know what is significant and does it need your attention right now? What is the deadline? The next pointer is that the outcome is not in your control. So just give your 100% and leave it. And lastly, rest in faith. Thank you.